Welcome to Finding the Perfect Pro, your comprehensive guide to selecting the right local professional for your home improvement job. Hiring a professional ensures quality workmanship and saves you time and stress. Find the perfect pro to make your home improvement dreams a reality. Do your research. Ask friends and family for recommendations and read online reviews to find trustworthy professionals with a proven track record. Interview and compare. Meet with multiple professionals to discuss your project, ask questions, and get estimates. Choose someone who understands your vision and fits your budget. Protect yourself. Verify that your chosen professional has the necessary licenses and insurance to ensure legal compliance and protect you from liability. Avoid misunderstandings. Get everything in writing, including project details, timelines, costs, and warranties. A clear contract protects both parties and sets expectations. Find the perfect pro for your home improvement project on our new app, launching soon. Visit areascoutcanada.ca for more information.